For amazing jewelry designs and seller info, subscribe to latest jewelry designs. Press the bell icon for more updates.
Good day, welcome to latest Jewellery Designs channel. Our 22K gold bangles for women match well with Western as well as jazzy Indian outfits. With our vast collection of Indian-style 22K gold bangles for women, you are sure to find something that you like at a price that you love. Most of our gold bangles for women are unique designs, we just have one piece of each. Our 22K gold bangles for women are sourced from all over India. Our designs includes 22-carat South Indian gold bangles as well as 22K North Indian style gold bangles for women. So make sure you order the gold bangles of your choice before it's snapped up by someone else. Our 22K gold bangles for women design collection consists of plain gold bangles, temple jewelry gold bangles and gold bangles with CZs, rubies and emeralds. Under thick gold bangles, we have some very lovely designs for you to drool over. Our popular Bliss and Ishani gold Kada, Kandir's bestsellers, and Nori gold bangles, simply thick gold cotted design, Livia gold bangles, Natalia gold bangles or Lissa gold bangles for bridal wear. There is also the charm of handmade designs that appeal to a huge crowd owing to the charisma of something being created with a human touch. Just the same as wearing a machine-made garment and a hand-woven one. What would you prefer? Thanks for watching this video. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel by pressing bell icon. Also don't forget to like and comment this video.